Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at smoking some cheese for our pizzas. So I bought a smoker and I'm going to use this Pro Q smoke. You might have seen it on a previous video, so I'm just going to fill it up with some sawdust. So the actual smoker I bought, I just got it for £10 and it's worth up to like 70 odd pounds on when I've looked at it from buying it from new. So it was fully boxed up, never been used, so I thought £10 are pretty much of a bargain. So just filling that cold smoker up now. Smoke generator, I think they call it. So I'm no expert on doing any of this smoking stuff, so I'm not going to fill the channel up with loads of videos of smoking meats and cheese and goodness knows what else. But I just thought I want to experiment, because a lot of people talk about the wood-fired pizza and getting that smoky taste and that signature flavour into your pizza. And as you know, on our channel, we just use the good old gas. So I did buy one of these mini blow torches. You can put a candle under that, but it was just setting everything on fire. So I thought that would probably work a little bit better. So I'm no expert with this. I'm just going off stuff that I read on the internet. The actual smoker came with no instructions as well, which made for some fun time putting it together. So there's something you need to put the water in at the bottom. I think that's about keeping the temperature down, but I've got a cold smoker generator, so I don't see what that's going to do. But anyhow, well, I'll follow the instructions. So I've got some normal blocks of cheddar. Thought I'd just pop them in, just see what happens. And then I've got some of the fresh mozzarella, and I thought I'd put that at the top, possibly where it's going to be even more cooler, and just to see what happens really. So we'll put the lid on, and it says come back when all the flames have died down in the cold smoke generator. So I just left it on the decking, as you can see, and then a few hours later I got these mozzarella balls, and that's what it looks like. So join me on the next video, because we'll be using some of this cheese. Bye for now.